Have you ever worried about the financial security of your business? Especially as you grow and handle more money? It's a valid concern. Your business funds are the lifeblood of your operation, and keeping them safe is just as important as earning them. For businesses that rely on modern, digital banking platforms like Tide, the question isn't if your money is safe, but how you can actively ensure the highest level of protection. You need to know the specific steps and features available to build a robust financial fortress around your hard-earned capital. Today, we're diving deep into practical, actionable ways to protect your business money specifically within the Tide platform. It's more than just a bank account, it's a financial tool set, and we'll show you how to use it to its full protective potential. First up, let's talk account security basics. Your Tide account is protected by robust encryption and security protocols, but you are the first line of defense. Use a strong, unique password and, crucially, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, immediately. This means that even if a cybercriminal somehow gets your password, they can't access your funds without the secondary code sent to your trusted device. Tide strongly supports 2FA, so make sure it's switched on. Next, master your spending cards. Tide offers separate cards that can be linked to different business expense pots. Limit the amount of money you keep on a physical card, especially if you have team members using them. This is key for limiting potential exposure should a card be lost or stolen. You can freeze and unfreeze cards instantly within the Tide app, giving you immediate control if you suspect any unauthorized activity. Don't wait. If in doubt, freeze the card instantly. Third, utilize read-only access for your team. As your business expands, you might need to give your accountant or key staff limited access to view transactions. Tide allows you to grant view-only access, ensuring they can get the information they need without the ability to initiate or approve payments. Never share your primary login details. Use the secure delegate access features provided by Tide instead. Fourth, keep an eye on your notifications and statements. Get into the habit of reviewing your transaction notifications in real time. If you see something you didn't authorize, report it to Tide immediately. Regularly cross-reference your in-app transactions with your own internal records. Immediate detection is the most powerful tool against fraud. Finally, be hyper-aware of phishing scams. No reputable bank or financial platform, including Tide, will ever ask you for your full password, PIN, or 2FA code via email or unsolicited phone call. Be skeptical of any communication asking you to click a link to verify or update your account details. Always log in directly through the official Tide app or website. If a message feels suspicious, it probably is. Protecting your business money is an ongoing process, not a one-time setup. By implementing these Tide-specific security measures, strong 2FA, smart use of spending cards, limited team access, active monitoring, and scam vigilance, you'll dramatically reduce your risk and gain valuable peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.